common denominator.
And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. You the man.
Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Yeah. Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
Hey, good afternoon. I'm having a little bit of trouble here. Haven't been live in a few weeks, so let me see how, let me know everything's working right. Let me do a couple little things here on the side first. What's up, Zimmy Jim? Can you let me know, am I looking okay here? Let me know. My counter wasn't working on starting the show, so appreciate it, get tough. Condition looks good. Let's give a minute for a few people to get in here. YouTube did send out an update, it looks like. We're going to go over some crypto, but also I'm going to go over really some stock market charts of stocks that look like they're preparing to lead us higher. I want to be ready to do that if we got a new good market here starting the last couple of days. While we're here, let's look at, I've changed my screens there a little bit, make it easier for us. Here's Bitcoin, Tether. $20,124 currently on Bitcoin. Technometer readings haven't given us much help here in a few weeks. Technometers are really setting around 44 neutral. So no real help. You can see that lower right. Bitcoin USD, same type of thing. If we look at 9-month chart, technometer here is basically the same type of thing, 45-ish earlier today. Bitcoin has held up here while stocks went to new lows, so that was a little bit impressive that maybe those June lows was a selling climax. So we're hoping for that. I am going to look at my TC2000. I've got a scan here that I had built that I call it bull market leaders. Kind of keeps me on top of stocks that are acting much better than the indices and giving us buy signals. So I'm going to go over those once we get through the quick roll through here. What's up, old man? If we go to the stock charting software, let's slide over to SPY. I talked about this really in my free weekend review. Let's go back here and look at this. Friday, we had a lot of option delta hedging going on that brought into the selling into Friday's close. Now we've had 2 strong days up. Our technometers did get oversold and near oversold at the lows on Friday and Monday. So this here does have an Elliott wave bearish count on the chart, a big 1-2. I'm not sure that's exactly the count. I think the low we just made Friday, if that low is respected, then we could be starting a pretty good rally here. If nothing else, a rally back above, back to this 435 level for a big flat correction. We look at Wyckoff Wave Growth Index. Not quite as strong. It's got Tesla in this index, so that is Tesla got hurt yesterday, not doing much today. But still, that one did give us a buy signal as well. If we look at the QQQ, technometer here at 41 was below 40. So again, I think we've made some type of low here. We're going to work higher. I'm going to go through some stock charts if stocks are looking good. That I post a lot of those in Pro Traders at WyckoffSMI.com. So we're going to go over that here in just a little bit. If we go back to the crypto charts, Nick and I still like BNB. We look at BNB Tether consolidated, 9-month chart. Again, we had the selling climax there in May 11th. Probably a spring down there in early June with stocks. BNB acting much better, turning higher today. BNB is one we think will continue to lead us higher. Also, Matic got pulled down a little bit with stocks, but we like the pattern here as well. Looks like we did experience a backup here. We've been calling for that around that 78 level since August 18th buy signal. But Matic is trying to dig out here as well, so we do like Matic. While we're here, we'll look at ADA real quick. ADA dollar consolidated. Same thing, looks like accumulation after the May selling climax. What's up, Tag? We'll go to Cake next. Here's ADA. Almost got a buy signal Friday. Here is Cake Tether consolidated. Let's do a 9-month chart. Also showing some outperformance. Trying to get it moving here. Hold on one second. We've got, again, Cake came down to a buy signal yesterday on the technometer. A lot of new selling coming in. OP hits a new low, lower right. So let's mark that. That looks maybe relevant. Oversold technometer. Let's mark that on the chart. Trying to dig out today. And also, as we like to show on the OP, you've had continued selling in the OP over the last few months into the low yesterday, while price has been holding into that oversold reading. So that looks pretty good. I think you can be long that, trail a stop. If you got anything else you want to look at, throw a few out right now. We'll go ahead and look at some more crypto before I turn back to stocks. Again, I'm going to go through my scan a little bit. I'm going to go through some various stocks that I've been mentioning. Here's SOL, one that we have traded and owned in the past. Still own some. 34. Not much to add to that. 2 buy signals on the last 2 recent lows. Just missed a buy on the 16th. We'll go to Atom. Atom Tether Consolidated. Or Atom Tether Binance, excuse me. Again, here on Atom, we have been showing these Wyckoff markings. Let's update that a little bit. Got pulled a little bit lower there into the stock weakness. We still think that is a jump and a backup. And again, you can see we did get an oversold technometer on Friday. Let's mark that on the chart as well. Again, Atom we still like. That's one we've been talking about. With the Wyckoff markings. If that's all accumulation, we should have a pretty good run here in Atom. Do your own research, not investment advice. But that chart has set up pretty well. Let's go back to Doji. Doji, Tether, Consolidated, 9-month. What up, Patrick? David. I'll look at KNC and Zen here next. Here's Doji, waiting for the indicators to load. Bringing in 5-minute data. Takes a little while. Not much to show here. OP did go to new lows recently while price is holding. So I would say that could key off that low at 0.0557 or so. See if we can get this thing continuing higher on Doji. KNC. Tether Binance. Let's see how that chart looks. Let me go to the 9-month on KNC again. What's up, Sniper? We had support mark before at this level. Not much to add. Probably should have a Tether Consolidated. I'm not sure if that chart would be much different. Technometer is oversold currently, so that one could bounce, but not as strong as the other ones we've been looking at. Zen, Tether Consolidated, volume from like 100 plus exchanges. We'll do VET next. This is one that we had a little bit of a buy divergence on Zen. We mentioned that a couple of weeks ago. Been sideways, trying to dig out here. You can see again, OP continues to sell pressure into yesterday while price is still holding. And just missed a buy yesterday. Probably did get that intraday. So I think you could key off Friday's low on Zen. That one could be another one here. Nick still likes Zen. That's one he's done very well on over the years. So I think Zen's okay here. VET, Tether Consolidated. Then we'll look at Link, Zimmy Jim. I'm going to go to a few stock ideas here real quick. Here's VET. Same thing, still down here in the sideways. Well, it looks like accumulation, but no strength out of VET yet. Nothing to show on the technometer. I can't add much to VET. Let me go to Link, then we're going to go to a few stock ideas here. I was going to make that more of the main part of the show. Wait for the indicators to load. Okay, again, did have a buy signal at Friday's close. I'll show that real quick. And then we need to add the buy that came in here. Okay, again, Link, I think Friday's close. Could be interesting for a stop loss if you want to try that. Let's go back to our stock charts real quick. A few here I want to go over. Sage, I am long. That one has some nice Wyckoff labels on it. You can see these. Sudden climax, automatic rally, secondary test, a spring and a test, a jump and a backup. Looks like we're going to try to continue higher here, so I do like Sage. We are long that one. I've got quite a few here. Let's run through. Charles Schwab is one that we have been in and out of before. This one, new recovery high here, going back to the highs. 9-month chart. Again, some nice strength there at the 70 level, then backed up to it. Schwab is acting well today. That should be continue to be a good buy and hold. What's up, Kevin? A few here from memory we'll go through real quick. Win had that positive news there last week. Pulled back for 4 days with stocks. Now, again, jumping out of here after a last point of support. I would think a win could continue to work higher. Hold on here a second. Let me bring up. I had some of these ready to go. Let me grab them real quick. Okay, what else here? Bear with me just a second. Go through some of these that I've already done. BJ Wholesales. 9-month chart. Actually, it goes back a little farther than that. This is one that looks like it's trying to get through resistance. Also, this is one to keep an eye on. These are what I think are the next bull market leaders. They could bounce around here. I think they're ones you want to have on your radar. Here's CVBF, Charlie Victor Boy Frank. Been in a nice uptrend. Came off a buy signal on Friday. DGII. Most of these you'll see have done very well since November's bear market. This one here is sideways and then coming alive. That one still looks good. Some of these could lead for quite a while. if these markets are forming a bottom. Here's EVH, another one. I think let's go the 1 year here. Same type of thing, sideways, then breaking out, backing up. EVH could look good here. Humana, HUM. This one I'm long for a few clients. See here, same thing. Breaking through resistance, backing up to it. New low in the OP while price is hitting higher lows. We like that, so that one could continue to lead us. IMXI. Same type of thing, continue to stair step higher. Looks like it came off that support at 22, which was previous resistance. IMXI could be good. Iridium is one that we've traded in the past. I do still own some of this. Again here, nice little Wyckoff markings. This one looks like it has higher to go. Made a recovery high today. IRDM still looks good. Texas Instruments, one that could be acting well. Go to the 9-month chart here. You can see blue arrow shows new low in OP while price is holding. I like that support level down there at 159. I think you could, oversold technometer coming into yesterday. This one I think could lead us higher as well. And as a group, this is XBI, the Spider Biotech. If we look at the 1 year, you could see what could have been a large ABC off the highs. If you like Elliott wave, and then you could be looking at 5 waves off the recent low here, and a nice ABC pullback. When I look at my bull market scan for stocks, a lot of biotechs are joining that list. That's why I wanted to show the group index. Here's TC2000, which is a charting software I subscribe to. Again, I've had a bull market leaders scan made. Today the list is pretty long because of oil and gas. So you got the usuals, OXY, Occidental, ExxonMobil, Devon Energy, a lot of these again, Conoco. A lot of them are biotech and also oil and gas. If we look at some of these, we've got, let me see if they're still on here. Dollar General was on it yesterday. Reliance Steel. Dino, D-I-N-O. WTI. Again, a lot of oil and gas showing up here right now. A couple have fallen off because of the strength in oil. But again, some of the names I mentioned have been on this list. Monitor this list daily. Here's SWAV, another one that keeps popping up on the list. Tidewater. I've also got some breakdown failure scans, earnings acceleration. So as we move forward, we're going to go through more stocks that look like they're leading. I also shared a video from William O'Neill that when the general market is stabbing new lows like the stocks have done here all this year, any stocks that are moving sideways to slightly higher are probably going to lead the next bull market. So those are ones we're trying to find, because those could be the 2, 3, 4, 5 X's if this is a good low that we're coming off of right now. Patrick wants to know if this is a Santa Claus rally with new lows next year. I mean, I guess anything's on the board. We did have a lot of negative sentiment coming into Friday's low. We had the option selling. So if that low gives away short term, looks like we're going to have definitely more downside. All of a sudden, that's what, 1,500 Dow points away. In 2 days, we've had really large rally here. But I think that rally will stick, at least for the short term. And then we'll see how the next few months go. Anybody got any stock charts they want to look at? We could do that. Any stock ideas you want to throw out here real quick? Give me a few of those if you'd like. I'm going to run my disclaimer real quick. Do your own research.
There is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thank you.
All right, do your own research. Anybody new in here? Once again, we're going to try to stay with this now. We think the stocks and crypto, we have gotten all the week longs out, so I think we'll start a uptrend from here, so we want to stay on this. Again, if you got any stock ideas, throw them out here. Tesla. Let's look at the 1-year Tesla. Technometer currently is 43. On this chart, we was giving out some ideas for selling call options to help limit some of the downside. Those are marked in red as sells, green as buys. We was hoping for a green buy here today and tomorrow. Somewhere down here, we're not getting it at the moment. I would venture a guess that Tesla is okay down here. I would own a little bit probably in a portfolio. CLSK is Clean Spark. Not good price action here on the lows. OP on the lows, so stock price and volume kind of moving together. Technometer neutral. Can't say much about CLSK. Sorry about that, James. Not much to add. Here's a few more names we're going to look at. How about Bowl, B-O-W-L, Bolero. I think this is the Pro Bowlers Association, I believe. If you think bowling's coming back, maybe why this chart's looking better. Again, chart doesn't look too bad here considering. I'm going to go through a few more here that I have on my monitor list. UNM, this one breaking out, 41. Again, bull market leader looks like. Looking at Berkshire, that one's not been as strong, but one again that I kind of like here. Here's Hostess Brands, a Twinkie. This one been in a solid uptrend. A good day today. That one could continue to work higher. QLYS is one that I still could own a little bit of that for longer term clients. This one's been acting pretty well as well. QLYS. Go the 1 year. You can see here, same type of thing. Large sideways was showing some decent strength the last few months. This one could continue to lead us higher. DraftKings. Not looking bad the last few months. DKNG. Go to the 9-month chart. Same type of thing, some Wyckoff markings. A good day today. I mentioned this Friday on money.net. if you caught that video. Citrix Systems, another one at the highs here. Looks like it could continue higher. Funko, FNKO. Back down here, what could be some support. Monitoring that one. Syndax, again a biotech. So a few biotechs here. You can see why they're showing up on leader scans because of the strength. Chart holding well here. Another one, APLS. Hold on, that was not on my software. I forgot to add that one. Let me see if there's any more here I want to talk about. SNPS, Synopsys. This one, pretty good sell-off in the last few months. So again, this is on my radar. It is oversold. One that I'll watch. Nobody else got any stocks to throw out here? If not, I'm going to get ready to call it a day. Again, I'll try to be back here more often. Here's NVIDIA. It's been beat up, as everybody knows. Let's go the 1 year. One trying to come back. Chart's kind of hard to read here. I would think that one is cheap, but nothing really to hang your hat on except Thursday, Friday low. So again, I think stocks, let me see here if I've got, here's an Elliott wave count on the Dow Jones. Let me bring that up real quick. This is a DIA, the Dow Jones Spider. Go to, let's go to the 1 year chart here. This is an account that I'm trying to lean on right now. A large 3 ended there January. We've got an ABC down, ABC up, ABC down, ABC up, and an ABC down into Friday's low. I posted this, I think on the 26th. We did come right down to where I had posted. We have reversed, so again, that's something, if you're bullish here, I think you've got to try to lean off of this chart. Or worst case, let me see if I can bring up, if you're really bearish, there's Trading View. This is QQQ. I've shown this before. 1-2 could have been ending. Last time I was live was around August 16th. I was showing that we were making a top. I was leaning that we wouldn't fall as deep as we have. But possibly this is a 1-2 and we still got lower to go. Or possibly we had the ABC up, we had an ABC down, and now we're ready for 5 waves back up. And that would be the wave 2. And then we still would have a major major bear market still coming. So I'm not 100% positive of many counts here. except again, the low we made Friday should hold in for something here. If it gives away, then we've got troubles. I think you want to be looking at stocks that look good, that can lead this next rally, then you want to buy them and hold them. Try to hit a home run out of here. That's how the bigger money's made. If we go back to Bitcoin, again, LearnCrypto.io or patreon.com/LearnCrypto, 40 bucks a month. Nick and I's in there. Nick's still doing what he's always done, trying to find some gems, doing some yielding, farming, etc. We like BNB. We like Zen. Already showed Adam. Adam looked good. For newcomers, let's go back to that Adam tether chart. With the Wyckoff markings on it. So the low Friday, Monday. If that low holds, this chart would look really good. So we'll watch that. Matic still looks good, same type of chart. So those are my ideas. I'm going to get out of here and get ready for the stock market closing. I'm going to do the usual run of a few ads here on our crypto Discord, private client group, Wyckoff, you name it. No one's talking in here much. Everyone's been numbed, I think, by these bear markets and stocks and Bitcoin. This is the time to dig in, get it figured out, and try to ride this next wave up. So I'm out of here, and Nick and I are trying to go back to 2 a week, and myself, I try to do 3 or 4. So we're going to try to be here again, be ready to ride this bull market right back up. So thank you, and probably see you tomorrow.
Warren Buffett, American investor, business tycoon, and one of the wealthiest people in the world, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But how is that possible? Well, knowledge is power. In 2020, it is no longer news that cryptocurrencies are the currency of the digital future. Bitcoin's stability amidst unprecedented global economic impacts from COVID-19 has proven once again that crypto is here to stay. Learning how to trade, when to trade, and where to trade crypto assets can make the difference between success and failure. At LearnCrypto.io, we offer a pathway to sustainable and lifelong wealth by helping open-minded beginners and experienced traders navigate the thin ice of the cryptocurrency markets. Live shows, interviews, coin reviews, fundamental analysis, predictive trading bots, and open chat access to a community of real traders. These are just a few of the benefits you'll receive with a membership on patreon.com/LearnCrypto. Sign up today if you strive to build yourself a brighter tomorrow.
Do you personally invest or trade stocks? Then you'll want to gain access to our private Discord channel. By subscribing to our pro traders at WyckoffSMI.com, you'll receive individual stock suggestions based upon the Wyckoff method, review possible trade setups, as well as receive emails when any trade suggestions are given. But if you're too busy to manage your own stock portfolio, consider our private client group at our registered investment advisor, Black Bay Capital Advisors. You'll get the personal touch while we manage your stock portfolio for you through the trusted custodian, Charles Schwab. For an annual fee, you'll have more time to enjoy life while we focus on growing your portfolio. We'll be on the same side of the table, working to help you secure your long-term financial goals.
Welcome to the Wyckoff Stock Market Institute. Our institute was founded in 1931 by technical trader Richard D. Wyckoff, one of the titans of technical analysis. Wyckoff SMI has been the leader in teaching technical trading for the past 91 plus years. Thousands of traders have chosen to learn at Wyckoff SMI for its proven trading techniques and invaluable proprietary market indicators. Enroll today in our Wyckoff Unleashed online course and get access to 39 lessons and quizzes, 8 hours of lectures, our 559-page book, and a comprehensive final exam. You will also receive 90 days free to our Pulse of the Market charting software, as well as our Pro Traders stock groups. One of our alumni says, "In 1956, I became a Wyckoff SMI student under Bob Evans. By learning the Wyckoff method of trading, many have learned to trade intelligently and successfully. Keep up the good work." Or from another, "I value the training I received 4 decades ago from the SMI. Why wait? Register and begin your journey to becoming a successful trader investor. To get the best experience, download our Wyckoff SMI app and get started today."
We'll see you all again. Sleep tight.